There's one shortcut that I use every single day that is so useful, everyone should know about it. Even if you are a seasoned pro at using the Fire Stick, this shortcut is one that regularly gets overlooked. Let's go and find out what it is. If you're shopping from Amazon, whatever it may be, from a new Fire Stick to even a bag of dog biscuits, did you know that by going to Amazon through my personal referral links helps to support everything that I do here on my YouTube channel? My referral links provide a small commission at no extra cost to you, and every little helps. You can find my Amazon referral links in the description down below. Thank you for your support. This shortcut saves so much time and it's so easy to use. But I've found that it is the most overlooked or forgotten about feature. No matter where you are on your Fire Stick, whether you're in an app, on the home screen, or searching the App Store, just one single press of your Fire Stick home button will open up a quick access menu. Now, tapping on the home button will obviously take you to your Fire Stick home screen, but if you press and hold the home button for a second and then release it, you'll get quick and direct access to the most useful and frequently used Fire Stick features. Quickly switch profiles, get direct one-click access to all of your installed apps, put your Fire Stick to sleep, start screen mirroring, and instantly go to your Fire Stick settings. It couldn't be any easier. This is such a useful tip and shortcut to remember. Just press and hold the home button on your remote for a second, release, and almost everything you need frequent and quick access to is right there. If you are one of the Fire Stick users that already know and use this shortcut, then comment the word home in the comment section down below. If you're one of the Fire Stick users that don't use this shortcut or you forgot about it, then also let me know in the comments as well. I hope that this helps you to navigate your Fire Stick more quickly and save you some time. Don't forget to share this video with everyone else you know that owns a Fire Stick, so this very useful shortcut stops being overlooked and forgotten about. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and helps to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers, and I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. Did you know that I also have a very useful website where you can find even more Fire Stick information, help and tutorials? You can find a huge app library that is simple to use, and you can download almost any app from my website right onto your Fire Stick using the Downloader app. You'll also find video tutorials, help and advice on other streaming matters that you won't find from me on YouTube, so make sure you check out FireTVSticks.com and bookmark it so you can always go back and check for the latest news. You can also sign up to my newsletter that will keep you up to date on all of my latest video releases, news and how-to articles delivered right to your inbox.